make lunch bento with me, mini vlog. Somebody needs to go to the office today. Let's quickly make him, a lunch bento. Excuse me. His boss planned to take the team out for lunch today. It was suddenly cancelled for some reason to prevent Mr. He from starving or eating his sampan. Let's dig out something edible in the freezer. If you saw something weird on my hair, that should be the looking for. My hair is thin on the top, so I want to give it a cut. Firstly, heat up some rice. Microwave on high heat for 2 minutes. It will taste just like fresh rice. Meanwhile, we can pan fry the spam. Directly put frozen spam into the pan. Forget about them and let them fry. Pour in 1/3 of the mixture. Carefully roll it up. Add more egg. Repeat until you use all the egg mixture. I was in a hurry, so I measured with my eyeballs. The texture is... If you don't have Asian eyeballs, here's the recipe. Hehe, I was kidding. Don't forget about your spam. Mine are nice and crispy now. I hope yours are not burnt yet. Brush them with soy sauce and honey. Let's try the avocado cake. I feel so stupid but lucky. I have been removing seed like this for years, still having 10 fingers.
I'm leaving after pooping.
I'm almost done. Put in the rice, rice seasoning, avocado, and spam. Then wrap it up. Oh no, it's too short.
Who's too short?
Not you. Although it's not a fancy lunchbox, I'll make sure there's enough protein to produce some smelly farts. This is the kimchi radish we made last winter. It's almost gone. Probiotic foods like kimchi, yogurt, and miso can reduce farts. In other words, never offend your wife, especially when she cooks for you. We dissolve frozen miso with hot water. You can have some miso soup during lunchtime. Yes, we made it. You're able to peel an orange by yourself, right?
No, I don't.
Now I'll take it.
Wait. Yes, I do.